Astronomy has progressed from observing visible light to exploring the entire electromagnetic spectrum. Now, gravitational wave astronomy is introducing a new dimension to this field. Instead of light, it detects ripples in spacetime caused by massive objects. The Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, or LIGO, is central to this research. It measures incredibly small changes in distance, about 1 billion times smaller than a proton. LIGO employs two 4-kilometer-long pipes to capture these gravitational waves. When a wave passes through, one arm of the instrument stretches while the other shortens, altering the interaction of laser beams. This advanced technology enables LIGO to detect significant cosmic events, such as the mergers of supermassive black holes in distant galaxies. Each discovery through gravitational wave astronomy promises to unveil unexpected insights about the universe, marking a significant advancement in cosmic exploration. Stay informed about the latest developments in this fascinating area of study.